Hi everyone, we'd like to invite all new and returning students and parents to our Welcome Open House. This is a great way to get to know our school and community a bit better. To tell you a bit more about that, we have two members of our CPA community to share about their experience with the Welcome Open House as a kickstart to their experience here at CPA.
Open house was a great experience for me. I got to ask a lot of questions and none of my questions went unanswered. I even met some friends on open house that I still talk to regularly, so I 100% encourage you guys to go because I think it was just overall a really valuable and fun experience.
The Welcome Open House was a great experience for me because as a new student in CPA, I heard that Welcome Buddies were available, and so I signed up and I got a Welcome Buddy, and they just comforted me and helped me do school better and understand how to maneuver through the CPA website.
Hi there, I'm Mrs. White, one of the teachers here at CPA, and we hope you don't miss the Welcome Open House. You'll meet the director, staff members, student leaders, and parent ambassador committee members, and all of us have prepared to go over valuable information to get you off to a really great start. Make sure you sign up today.